Has the biggest crypto bull run in history just start? What's up, guys? How's it going? Taib here, aka John. I do want to go ahead and say thank you to every one of you guys that are currently watching, and those that are brand new to the channel. Welcome to the Lux Fiat channel, where you guys will learn about cryptocurrencies, specifically low cap altcoins and NFTs as well, where you'll be able to capture these massive opportunities and gains. But the reason why I made this video was, did the biggest crypto bull run in history just start? Before I do go ahead and move forward with that, I do want to go ahead and say I am not a financial advisor. Anything that I do say or talk about in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. Alright, guys? So go ahead and make sure to watch to the end of the video. And I am going to go ahead and be doing a quick recap about the next crypto altcoins right now that are low cap gems that are going to be 10xing very soon. And you guys definitely want to go ahead and keep your eyes on this. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about a few projects that I have in mind, and as well I'm going to go ahead and do some quick TA about how the market is reacting at the moment and what we could be expecting for crypto moving forward. Alright, guys, so let's go ahead and go straight to DEX Tools, where I'm going to be talking about the projects that I see lots of potential going on at the moment. So one of my biggest potentials at the moment has been MPL, which is Meta Planet. Like I told a lot of people in the last recent videos to go ahead and check out this project. I did jump in around this area, and I am already capitalizing off of it. I do see this going to at least over a 10x. The reasons why is due to the fact that we found a trend that it's in our favor, and as well they are going to be getting listed on Hotbit this week, which is an exchange. So I do expect a massive pump coming our way. So go ahead and make sure to check that out. And another project I want to go ahead and talk about is Catgirl, guys. Catgirl has been getting some massive gains in the last few days. I really do think we are in this bull run, and it had just started. I don't want to celebrate yet, but pretty much it hit my confirmation point. I told everybody I would be extremely excited if we were to see $47,000, sorry, not 47,000, was it 47? Yeah, it was $47,000 Bitcoin. Actually, my price target was 46,500, and we're at 46,900 at the time being, and I think its high as it hit around 47,000 something. So extremely bullish. Usually Catgirl does move with Bitcoin, and Catgirl has actually been in this area of demand, which usually means that this is an area where a lot of people are buying. Unfortunately, there has been a massive dump that happened, but now we are currently getting near that demand zone. And if you guys jumped into Catgirl, you guys will be enjoying over a 50% gain at the time being. I do expect this token to go ahead and do an additional 10x in the next couple weeks. So definitely go ahead and keep your guys' eyes on Catgirl. Another project I want to go ahead and talk about is called Panda Girl. Very similar to Catgirl. The reason why I like Panda Girl, I know they sound very similar to one another, and that is one of the reasons why I would definitely go ahead and look into this project. Panda Girl, it does run on BNB. All these projects that I'm currently talking about do run on BNB. And what I like about Panda Girl is not only the developers in the team, the team has been solid. We've been there since day one on pre-sale, and they've been doing nothing but delivering. And you guys, if you guys do go ahead and check out this chart, you guys might go ahead and panic and ask what causes dump, right? So what causes dump was someone in the token that was invested in it caused a lot of FUD and then pretty much dumped. And obviously everything going on with the wars and everything kind of causes to dump. But enough said with that, guys. I do think it's extremely bullish. So one of the huge catalysts coming up with that is for Panda Girl. And by the way, Catgirl, I think there's a possibility that could be listed on crypto.com. But anyways, for Panda Girl, one of the reasons why I think this is extremely bullish is due to the fact that they have now just released their white paper. So I know a lot of people have been complaining about that, and the team has finally delivered on that. And as well for Panda Girl, they are currently working on NFTs. It is set to say that the NFTs will be released on April 29th. I really did wish that it was a lot sooner, but I think the time being, it's a perfect time, and we will be expecting over a 10x very soon. So go ahead and make sure to load up your bags and check out the project, not financial advice. And then, what else was I going to say regarding Panda Girl? Oh yeah, as well they have a giveaway that I believe is ending this week where you'll get a chance to earn about like $10,000. So that's another big catalyst that they have going on. And by the way, I forgot to mention on MPL they are marketing on DEX Tools on the side right here by clicking on it. So that is extremely bullish. I believe they said they're running this for a whole week. So do expect to get more traction in the marketing and as well get more eyeballs for the exchange. So I really do expect even MPL to hit over a 10x. So now we're going to go ahead and go to one of my favorite projects, which is called Sriracha Inu. I am extremely bullish in this project, looking to go ahead and load up the bags once again. This project, we've been there from the beginning as well. Extremely bullish, guys. Definitely what I like about this project is the fact that you guys do earn rewards just by holding. So definitely go ahead and check this out. I do know that they are currently in the works of releasing their NFTs really soon. So go ahead and keep your guys on that. So now let's go ahead and move on to the next project that is called 8shit, which is Astro Shitcoin. This coin dumped a lot, but the reason why I'm extremely bullish with this token right here is the fact that they are actually the same developers of Panda Girl. So what caused a massive dump was, the whole entire thing with the war and everything going on. So all the fears in the whole market ended up happening. So that's what happened. So let's go ahead and now move over to what other projects should I go ahead and talk about now? So we talked about Monster Clan is another project that I do seem a little bullish on. I know there's been a lot of scares going on with that project, a lot of things going back and forth with the teams, but I am extremely bullish in this project because I do think it has hit its bottom and it will begin to jump, but I won't get excited until we go ahead and hit at least around 12 cents. So I would just go ahead and keep an eye on Monster Clan. I think that is pretty bullish. And then let's go ahead and hit the Ethereum blockchain real quick. I know we're 7 minutes in this video already. Like I said, this video was solely just to go ahead and let you guys know about some certain projects that I do see extremely bullish. I don't know why I'm getting extremely itchy. Sorry about that. But yeah, so let's go ahead and check out these other projects that I'm talking about. Definitely go ahead and check out Kuma. If you're extremely bullish on Shiba, go ahead and go for Kuma. That is extremely bullish. It does move very closely to Shiba, so I do recommend you guys to go ahead and check it out. The project is called Kuma Inu, and it is the same developers of Shiba. It has been confirmed. I'm definitely going to go ahead and do another update on that.
I just want to interrupt really quick to tell you about the Unknown Species NFT, which is an NFT that we've been teasing for a while. And at the end of the sale of the 600, we are going to be doing 10 $3,000 raffles. So be sure to check it out. Here's the trailer to give you more information. But go ahead and go to dac.llc/NFT and find out more information. Here's the trailer.
Mr. President, this looks really bad, sir. The doctor's research was leaked and it has left unrest within the country. This is not good. The plan backfired, as I predicted. Mr. President, you need to speak on this or there will be riots. We cannot afford riots on top of this. The president wants all samples brought to the laboratory at once for immediate testing. This could be dangerous, people. Very dangerous.
Okay, so let's go ahead and hit Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and hit the charts of what's going on with Bitcoin. So obviously, guys, if you guys have not been living under a rock like Patrick, you guys would be aware of what's currently going on in the market. Bitcoin has now hit its new all-time high after being rejected multiple times in the last, I think it's almost been almost going into 2 months. I mean, we tried breaking above 45,000 back in February. We tried again back on the 15th of February, failed. Then we tried again back in March, we failed. Then we tried again back in January. So we've been testing this area literally for almost 4 months. And now today we finally, on a Sunday, which you guys will be watching the video on a Monday, we finally actually broke through, guys. So I am extremely excited with what is going on in the market. So let's go ahead and see what the charts are looking like and what can we expect moving forward. All right, guys. So now it does seem like we found a new area of support. I would say a new area of support will be around $45,000. So do expect Bitcoin to go ahead and retrace a bit to down to $45,000. I would say that is extremely bullish. I would definitely want to go ahead and see a retracement, and the reason why being is due to the fact that currently we are pretty high on the greed and fear chart, I believe. Let's go ahead and check it out. So we are currently in the greed zone at the moment. As of now, we have hit that greed zone, which I definitely do not want to see, guys. It does not seem healthy for the market. I do want to go ahead and see a pullback. We need to go ahead and get some pullbacks to go ahead and refuel once again on the rocket fuel. So do expect Bitcoin to go ahead and drop as low as $45,000, which will be a very healthy area of support. So I do definitely want to see this drop lower, at least down to 45, because the higher we go, guys, do expect the harder we will fall. But this is not always the case. You know, a lot of people were talking about how we were supposed to be dropping below, you know, after we were at the $45,000 area. And guess what happened, guys? After consolidating, we ended up having a short squeeze to the upside. A lot of liquidations happened. So do expect this being very similar to happen as well. If we go over to the 1 hourly, we have just left that oversold territory, that overbought territory. So we are dropping down, which I do like. We might consolidate for the $46,000 area, and hopefully in the next couple days we will be breaking above. But with Bitcoin, you know, just the whole crypto market in general, usually it could, and it does have the luxury to just go ahead and continue to moon for no apparent reason, breaking through all the technicals and going against all the rules. So if we go ahead and go over to the daily chart, we are currently around, almost hovering around the overbought territory. I really wouldn't focus too much on overbought territory on the daily, because there has been multiple times, like for example around this area right here, where we just kept on mooning and we barely saw any, you know, any red. And same right here back in July when we were as low as 29,000, we ended up breaking above, going as high as 40,000 literally within a week, guys. So do keep in mind we could have a very similar run up where being completely overbought and having all this fear just being ignored, we might even just see Bitcoin end the week above $50,000. We could even see Bitcoin realistically hit $60,000 by the end of this week. Will that happen? I do not know. I definitely would want to go ahead and see a retracement just to go ahead and feel more comfortable about where the market is. But do keep in mind that we could see Bitcoin just moon straight to Saturn and it won't come back. So do expect that. We are in the crypto market. I really hope a lot of people do get liquidated under short position. And I think that's exactly what has been what was the term I was going to use? I completely forgot what the term I was going to use, but I think that is one of the reasons what has been causing this market to continue to go high, guys. We've literally been going up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days so far. We've been green, guys. That is not healthy. I definitely, as much as I love green and I'm a bull, that is not healthy, guys. So I definitely do want to go ahead and see some red going on, but just keep in mind, guys, it could still continue to go up high. I didn't even expect Bitcoin to even hit $47,000 this quick, but it looks like the bull run has just started. And definitely go ahead and keep everything in mind, all the projects that I just spoke about. Definitely go ahead and keep that in mind. I just wanted to do this quick video, which is not so quick, 13 minutes deep, But I just want to go ahead and say thank you to every one of you guys that support our channel and continue to watch, like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to drop down the favorite project that you want to go ahead and see next. Right, guys? I'll catch you guys on Wednesday. Thank you.